Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the serpentine belt on a Lexus ES 350. First, gather your essential tools, including a 14mm wrench, a socket set, and your new serpentine belt. Safety is paramount, so always ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin. You will also need to locate the serpentine belt routing diagram, which is often conveniently placed under the vehicle's hood for easy reference. Next, you will need to release the tension on the old belt. Locate the automatic tensioner pulley. It is usually spring-loaded. Insert a breaker bar or a long ratchet into the square opening on the tensioner. Carefully rotate the tensioner pulley clockwise to relieve the tension on the serpentine belt. This action will allow you to easily remove the old belt from all the pulleys without excessive force. Now, with the tension released, carefully remove the old serpentine belt from all the pulleys. Take a moment to compare your new belt with the old one to ensure it is the correct length and width. Then, using the routing diagram you located earlier, meticulously route the new belt around all the pulleys. Make sure it is perfectly seated in every groove before proceeding to the next step. Finally, perform a thorough double check to ensure the new serpentine belt is securely seated on every single pulley. Slowly release the tensioner, allowing it to apply the correct amount of tension to the belt. Once everything looks good, start the engine briefly. Listen carefully for any unusual noises or signs of slipping, which could indicate an improper installation. A successful replacement ensures optimal engine performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.